Hai guys, hari ini ada challenge dari murid-murid saya. Murid-murid saya berbicara saya ke video dan skincare rutin, tapi saya tidak ada skincare rutin. Soap, hand soap, finish. Jadi saya hari ini I'm gonna try. I gotta learn that word. I'm gonna try this. I'm going to unbox it and then I'm going to use it. Okay, this is the zombie pack. Skin 104 from Korea. Hati-hati, bahaya. Ooh, nice. Came with a nice brush. And this is a good one too. Okay, now let's try. Okay, let's try. Skin pack. Smells good. Smells nice. Let's see if it can make me beautiful. Okay, let's just see if I can make my pores a bit tighter and my skin lifted a bit. This is a good test for cosmetics because usually I see these makeup tutorials on beautiful young women with perfect skin and oh, it did such wonders for my skin. Shut up. You had beautiful skin when you began the video. If it can do something with this, that's impressive. Okay, semua. It has been 15 minutes and my face is dry. It feels really weird. It's dry. And you can see here. Let's do another look here. This is with it still on. I haven't washed my face yet. Tidak membersih face saya yet. But you can see this eye bag is gone. It really worked. This one's a little weird shaped, but you can see where I put it on the eye bag, it contracted. But will the effect remain after I wash my face? That's what I'm curious about. Okay, semua. Saya membersih kulit saya dan bisa lihat untuk kamu jika itu bekerja. I have to say, my eye bags do look better. Yeah. My eye bags look smaller. I can't see my pores. I don't have my glasses. Hang on a second. Let me fix the lighting here a little bit. Okay. I don't know of any difference in my pores. I got pretty big nose pores. See that? I'm not sure if that made a difference. Might have made them a little more obvious. I think I'll use one of those Biore things. Get some of that out. Anyway, that was Zombie Pack. That you can judge for yourself if it did any good for me. All right, bye everybody. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing and review. It seems to work a bit on my eye bags. My wrinkles are still there. My pores are still there. My eye bags do look smaller, so I think there is something to the tightening and toning. I don't know how long the effect will last, but you know, yeah, and it was fun. For me, it was all about the fun. It was fun to use. Okay, bye everybody. Until next time.